Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Friday morning, July 11th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of business and corporate news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline. Tiny Gems breaks. Kalidi Biotherapeutics, Inc., American CLDI, featured in Network Newswire Spotlight on genetic medicines. Kalidi Biotherapeutics, Inc., a clinical-stage biotech innovator, has been featured in a Network Newswire editorial titled Breaking Through: Systemic Genetic Medicines for Hard-to-Treat Cancers. The article highlights Kalidi's next-generation platform using engineered viruses to deliver genetic therapies directly to tumors. While focusing on oncology, the company is also exploring applications in autoimmune disorders. Kalidi's role in addressing the global cancer burden and advancing treatment options is emphasized. For more information on Kalidi Biotherapeutics, visit their website at www.kalidibio.com.
C-Star Medical's Quellimune wins prestigious award from the National Kidney Foundation. Former winners include names like Janssen, Merck, and Otsuka. C-Star Medical's Quellimune, a humanitarian medical device designed to treat pediatric patients with acute kidney injury, AK, due to sepsis or a septic condition, has been awarded the 2025 Corporate Innovator Award from the National Kidney Foundation. The device, approved by the FDA under a humanitarian device exemption, has shown a 77% reduction in mortality rate and no dialysis dependency after 60 days in pediatric patients. C-Star Medical is currently conducting a trial to evaluate Quellimune's safety and efficacy in treating adult AKI. The National Kidney Foundation has recognized C-Star Medical for its significant contribution to improving the lives of patients with AKI, and C-Star Medical hopes to continue making an impact in the field of nephrology.
Neuralbase announces early implementation of its fintech prototype workflow with Dubai-based Forex brokerage. Neuralbase AI Limited announces the early implementation of its fintech prototype workflow with Dubai-based Forex brokerage, Loyalty Liquidity. This milestone signifies Neuralbase's commitment to revolutionizing financial services through AI-driven automation. The prototype aims to streamline Forex brokerage operations, including real-time trade monitoring, client onboarding, compliance checks, and automated reporting. Loyalty Liquidity stands to benefit from operational efficiency, enhanced compliance, faster client service, and data-driven insights. CEO Vignesh Dobal expressed excitement about this partnership and highlighted plans for continuous refinement based on real-world feedback to meet the dynamic needs of the Forex market.
State Roundup. Schools assess impact of $125 million federal freeze. 59% of Maryland taxpayers to get a slight tax cut. Advocates gathered in a webinar to assess the impact of a potential $125 million federal aid freeze for Maryland schools, part of a larger $6.8 billion education funding freeze by the Trump administration. About 59% of Maryland taxpayers will see a slight reduction in state income taxes, despite a budget package raising $1.6 billion in new taxes and fees. Maryland's Green Energy Initiative faces delays, with concerns raised about offshore wind generation. Baltimore joins 33 jurisdictions in suing Trump over targeted funding cuts. State Transportation Secretary Wiedefeld will leave his post, triggering a search for a replacement. Governor Wes Moore heads to billionaire summer camp in Idaho. Montgomery County considers requiring union peace pacts for county-funded hotels. Mayor Scott outlines overdose prevention plan for Baltimore. Contractor Whiting Turner found to violate state regulations in city dock spill. How to grow your Instagram organically with HexRate. Real followers, real engagement. In 2025, Instagram remains a top platform for creators and brands to grow their audience. HexRate offers safe tools for organic growth, no bots or fake accounts. With over 2 billion users, Instagram is essential for visibility. HexRate helps users grow accounts organically, gain real followers, boost engagement, and target niche audiences. Customer reviews rave about the intuitive dashboard and natural results. HexRate stands out with targeting by niche, location, and behavior, real-time analytics, and 100% safe strategies. It's more cost-effective than ads, with results in 24 hours. Start growing your brand and credibility organically with HexRate today. B&W Productions supports Springboks versus Italy at Loftus Park. B&W Productions, a renowned event management company in South Africa, recently played a key role in organizing the Springboks versus Italy rugby match at Loftus Park in Pretoria. The event, attended by thousands, showcased B&W Productions' expertise in seamless coordination and top-notch event execution. Partnering with Events Guys, Islumco Activate, and JR Activate, the company ensured a smooth operational framework, including infrastructure setup, staffing, and guest engagement. With a focus on safety and compliance, the event provided spectators with a memorable rugby experience. B&W Productions' successful management of the event reaffirms its position as a leading event management partner in South Africa, setting new standards in the industry. Kennametal recognized as one of America's best mid-sized companies by Time. Kennametal Inc. has been named to Time's list of America's best mid-sized companies to 2025, recognizing its leadership in employee satisfaction and sustainability. President and CEO Sanjay Chowbey expressed gratitude for the honor, attributing it to the team's dedication and focus on sustainable growth. This recognition follows Kennametal's recent inclusion on Time's World's Best Companies 2024 list, showcasing its strong performance and values-driven culture. With over 85 years of experience, Kennametal delivers productivity to customers through materials science and wear-resistant solutions, generating $2 billion in revenues in fiscal 2024.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7 PressRelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.